And fly, what a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. All right, no guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nagliligaw po ang lalaking galaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-catch ni lalaking galaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni Ate Girl ng Galaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana ho, talaga po. Siguro pa sa din mga galaw may forever na. O sa mga single ladies out there, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever ha, so alam na natin, nandito lang ang... Ay, di ko masyado marin. Ano? Nandito lang ang... Hindi, sa mga tremors. Okay, so mga folks, once again guys, kung makakita, di na ulit ang ating mga galaw now folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! That is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Galaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga galaw po. So, syempre, okay, yung Kuya Markel and Kuya Cyril. Alright now folks, fun fact about hornbills. Unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place. So, tumatalong sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Now, let's proceed to our next animal ambassador. Alam niyo ba guys, pure black po ito. Alam ko nakikita nyo din kanina folks. Okay, atin ang tatawagin, si George. And there, and once again folks, that is George, our black pond cockatoo, or also known as the Bulayat Kakatupo. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. The folks, unfortunately, almost 100,000 hectares of their homes are being destroyed. So saan nga ba nakatirang isang black pond cockatoo na folks? They live in tropical rainforest po. And this day, George will show us how to help him restore his home by showing us how to plant a tree. So magtatanin si George ngayong hapon. So bago gagawin ni George, Kuya Richie, andyan bang nakita ni George? Ayan, we have 2 soils. Alright, and syempre we have 2 branches. Alright, now, boy, ready ka na, Kuya Richie? Alright, mukhang ready na din si Kuya Richie. Now, Kuya Richie, lapat na natin yung kahoy. Okay, sarap natin nilalagay, ha? Siyempre doon sa LP. Alright, and there you go. Ayan, very good. One more way, isa pa. Slowly but surely. Okay, ba? Ang good folks, no? Alright, okay, isa pa doon sa LP. Oh, and there you go. Thank you so much, George, for helping our Mother Earth. No, guys, little fun fact. They use their nests using twigs and small branches. Unlike other cockatoos that they use their nests using twigs at ngayong hapon, ipapakita ni George ang kanyang nesting behavior by bringing a paper money. So bago natin gagawin yan, pipili tayo na mag-volunteer ngayong hapon. I need 1 volunteer. Okay, adult. Adult yung kailangan natin dito, adult. Sino gusto? O, bili ka Kuya. O, sino gusto mo Kuya Richie? Wait lang, si Kuya Richie lang yung mga natin. Ha? Okay, Kuya Dexter, sino? Ikaw ma'am, si ma'am daw na naka-black. Okay, dito tayo ma'am. Yes po. Ma'am, dala ka lang na. Ma'am, ito lang. Magdala ka lang ng paper money kay 20 pesos. Okay, don't worry, ibabalik po yan ni George. Okay? Alright, 20 pesos. Okay na po yun ma'am. Okay. Tingnan muna natin si ma'am guys. Okay po yun. Sige, dito na po tayo. Alright. Okay na mga kiddos, excuse muna ha. Okay folks, palagpakan muna natin si ma'am please. Ayun, wala ba tayo mga kumain dyan? Alright. Okay, dito tayo ma'am. Ma'am, bago tayo mag-proceed, just follow lang po sa instruction ni Kuya Dexter natin ha. Ano ba mga kuyas? Pag-ready na si ma'am ha. Okay, thumbs up lang po. Alright, no, pa si ma'am. Kinakabahan ka ba ma'am? Basta ma'am, relax ka lang talaga. Okay. Okay, ganyan lang po ha. Okay ma'am, relax ka lang. Okay ma'am, are you ready? Kuya Dexter, Kuya Richie. Alright. Now George, get the paper money. Okay, relax ka lang ma'am. There you go. Ayan. Yeah. There you go ma'am, like I said kanina po, ibabalik po yan ni George. Alright? Okay, now George. Sa uli ka lang natin kay Mom. Okay, ayusin mo Mom. Okay. Wait lang. Eh, there you go. Ganyan po Mom. Okay, now, George, sa uli ka lang natin. Eh, there you go. Uli mo Mom. Ayan. And there you go. Thank you so much for participating. You can take a two-seat na po. Alright. Now folks, before we say goodbye to George, sana po pangalagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan folks. So that's all for George. Palakpakan po natin sila. Siyempre si Kuya Ricky, ang kanyang personal trainer, at siyempre si Kuya Dexter. Alright now guys, let's proceed now to our next animal ambassador. Makulay po ito. At galing pa po itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now may I call on Barak. And there you go. Once again, folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Michael. Now, Kuya Michael. Alright, okay, mukhang may pa-freezing daw si Kuya Michael ngayong hapon. Pero guys, limit lang po yan na ha. Okay na mga kids, hindi daw natin si Barak. Don't you worry, don't be scared. Barak, huwag bite ko naman. Just open your hand lang po, okay? Alright, okay, yung mga, ano dyan, nakaupo, makakita pa ba kayo guys? Wait lang natin folks, ha? Alright. Again, limit lang po yan. So mga hindi mabigyan ng seats, you'll be having your own time with our animal ambassadors po pagkatapos sa show. Alright, o sige, upo lang muna tayo. Yung mga nasa likod, baka hindi makakita. Alright, once again folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ararona, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Just like most parents guys, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. What is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called ding-ding-ding, kadang-kadang. Alright, na Barak, suot. In Martin, that is zygodactyl feet. Oh, wait lang, Kuya Mikey. Natumba. O, isa pa. O, wait lang, sakit lang talaga Barak, ha? O, ayusin mo na Kuya Mikey. Okay, o, Martin ulit. And there you go. Once again, folks, that is zygodactyl feet in action po. To the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items. So, Martin, good boy. Left, right, and baba. Good boy. Parang okay at dahil daw dyan, boy. Oh, syempre, high five muna tayo. Ito kayo mag-high five. Alright, one more. Oh, high five. And there you go. Alam niyo ba guys, napaka-sweet at lambing nito ni Barak, folks. Alright, now Barak, kiss to Kuya Michael. Lawi sa pisngi, sa cheeks. Oh, kiss to Kuya Michael sa cheeks. Kiss. Oh. Ano yung Kuya Michael? Okay, ito ba? Medyo, Kuya Michael, medyo nabitin pa daw si Barak eh. Okay, now, ito yung gusto ni Kuya Michael, guys. Na Barak, kiss natin ulit si Kuya Michael, pero hindi na sa cheeks, ha? Saan gusto nyo, folks? Ha? Saan gusto nyo? Alam na natin, Kuya Michael, narinig mo yun, sabi nila. Alright, now, Barak, kiss natin ulit si Kuya Michael, pero sa lips na. Isa pa, last na lang yun, isa pa. Siyempre, hindi rin magpapauli. Again guys, hindi rin magpapauli yung host. Kiss din ako Kuya Michael. Sa lips din. Hindi, joke lang folks. Na guys, sa din lang yan. Si Barak ay isang eco-warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate ng kanilang mga basura? Anyone, taas kamay, nagsesegregate. Okay, we have mom. Okay, sila sir, sila ate. How about the others? Hindi ka nagsesegregate? Hala, naku po, ngayong hapon tuturuan tayo ni Barak paano mag-segregate na kanyang basura. So, anong nandyan, Kuya Michael? Siyempre, ang ating basurahan, we have a biodegradable bin or nabubulong po. And also, we have a non-biodegradable bin or hindi nabubulong po. At mukhang ready na si Barak, Kuya Michael. Ang Kuya Michael at the can of 3 na mga basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Alright na folks, anong unang kukunin ni Barak? A piece of plastic which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Goodbye! Ang pangalawang kukunin ni Barak, it's another piece of plastic which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. May dalawang basura, boy! And this time, a piece of leaf dahon which is gonna go to the biodegradable bin. At 1 piece of trash, boy! Leaf or dahon, saan nga ba ilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Palapagan po natin si Barak, folks. As you can see guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate na basura, siyempre, kaya din natin folks. Sana ay tularan natin si Barak guys. Alright? Alright na folks, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po siya guys ng mga ma'am and sir, mga atas, mga kuyas. Wave bye-bye to Barak na po. Wave bye-bye everybody. Wave bye-bye. Alright, no Barak, mukhang nag-bye-bye na sila. Bye! Tayo naman mag-bye-bye. No Barak, wave bye-bye to everybody na. Wala. Barak isang bye-bye lang. Ala! Barak, isang bye-bye lang naman. Oh, sige na bye. Ano na ito yung dito? Ayun. Barak, oh, last up. Last up. Okay. Folks, ibig sabihin yan guys, he wants to stay in a show po. Pero again folks, we need to highlight our other animals naman po. And once again folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Michael. Palagpagan po natin silang dalawa. Thank you so much to the both of you. Okay, by the way guys, blue and gold macaw are the fourth largest macaw in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Now moving on na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. Alam niyo ba folks, bagong-bago na to sa amin guys. Atin ang tatawagin agad our newly trained na si Beauty. And there you go. Once again folks, that is Beauty, our sulfur-crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua ganireta. They can be found in Australia and New Guinea. No guys, sulfur-crested cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga sulfur-crested cockatoo spread their wings and left their crest as part ng kanyang panliligaw sa babaeng cockatoo, but it also an act of discouraging other male to court female sulfur-crested cockatoo. At ipapakita yan ni Beauty ngayong hapon po. Alright, now Beauty, girl, pakita mo sa kanila, spread your wings. Wake up folks. And over. Wow! And there you go, isa pa. Alright, and diba? Ano folks? As a part of Beauty's enrichment, cockatoos look in branches as a form of exercise and play around to ease their boredom. Now, Kuya Lexer, anong gagawin ni Beauty kapag siya'y nababagot? Now, Beauty girl, anong gagawin natin? Wait lang, inihan. Oh, okay. And sumubra ata. And there you go. Alright now folks, and that is their natural behavior box. So let's mag-ikot-ikot yan sa folks. And guys, lastly, just like any other parrots, Beauty also have zygodactyl feet, just like Barak po. What is zygodactyl feet na ba? Again, ipapakita po yan ni Beauty and Hila girl. Ayan si Hila, and there was the folks. That is zygodactyl feet in action po. Two in the front, two in the back, allowing them to grab items. So palagpakan po natin si Beauty guys. Ang galing-galing po talaga girl ha. Alright, syempre si Kuya Dexter. Alright. Okay, now let's proceed na. Guys, ang ating next natin tatawagin, cousin to ni Beauty. Alright, now may I call on Jumbo. And there you go. Now once again folks, that is Jumbo, our umbrella crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. The folks did you know the reason of global warming is due to pollution coming from our transportation. And this afternoon, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints using a Mark? Ding 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 ding! Bicycle na Jumbo. Sakay. And paniyak si Pagkatiboy, pag-first placer, pag-Ironman si Kanuden, para lang good boy, Jumbo. Now folks, to the kids out there, or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle, nothing to worry about po, because we also have a ding-ding-ding-ding scooter. Ayan, kung paano mag-bike, kahit ibang scooter guys, at Jumbo sakay ulit. And pa-jump, dahan-dahan lang ha. And o minor dyan sa may unahan. Whoops! Para lang. Good boy, Jumbo. You see guys, even our animals love to help from Mother Nature. We can also help by doing the reuse, recycle, and before, present some alternative ways for your transportation. Palakpakan po natin sila. Si Kuya. Alright now, Kuya. Kuya, paki-off muna sa flash, please. Alright, and si Kuya. Maraming salamat po. Alright now guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park, and so we have 4 species of cockatoos po. 1 is the sulfur-crested cockatoo, 2 is the umbrella-crested cockatoo, 3 is the black-pump cockatoo, and 4 is the Mulukan cockatoo po. Now, let's proceed na, guys, ang ating next animal ambassador. 3-in-1 po ito. But before that, I have a question. Okay, now first question. What animal is believed to have 9 lives? Cats. Pusa kung sa Bisaya pa. Okay, now second question. Listen carefully, ha? Our second question. If Mickey is mouse, Donald is duck, what kind of animal is Winnie? Ha? Okay, anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Sino nagsabi ng poo dyan sa likod? Guys, walang poo na hayop, ha? Ayun talaga. Okay, anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Bear. Oh, last question. What kind of animal ang kamukha ng katabi nyo ngayon? Pamilyar? Ha? Sinong pangkate? Joke lang, folks, but you are correct, guys. Ang ating next animal ambassador, he has a face like a cat, the body like a bear, and a very impressive tail like a monkey. With your attention to your left side, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcats. Excuse mo na tayo, mga mamansur, ha? Alright. And once again, folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat, with the scientific name of Arctictis binturong, locally known as binturong, guys. Now, folks, did you know that their tail can act as a rhythm? Meaning it is prehensile in nature. The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So, they can grab sa mga object na kasing galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kanyang tail. Same sa mga monkey, di ba? Makita yan ni Teddy ngayong hapon pa. Alright, now Teddy, are you ready na, boy? Okay, ready ka na, boy? Are you ready to sit down, ha? Okay, wait lang, folks. Nahanap mo na siya ng pwesto, guys. Wait lang. Okay, mga mom and sir, ha? Okay. Ayan na. Okay, now, Teddy. Ready ka na, boy? At ayan na, folks. Ayan na. There you go. That is prehensile tail in action po. Believe that in a while to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palagpagan po natin si Teddy first. Alright now, guys, with direct attention to your right na naman. That is the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno. Once again, folks, that is Uno, our other Palawan Bearcat. Now, guys, Palawan Bearcat are endemic here in the Philippines. Meaning ng endemic, folks, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas makikita. Particularly sa Palawan. And folks, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up using these 2 hind legs. At basic lang yan sa kanya, guys. Alright, now, Uno! Up! Wait na, folks. Wait na yan na. Oh, medyo may nakaamoy pa, guys. Okay, ready na. Uno! Naku, folks, kung ayaw talaga mag-follow ni Uno kay Kuya Dexter, si Kuya Dexter na lang ating paakitin sa kakoy, guys. Then joke lang, folks. Alright, na Uno, ato. Chupitang tayo na ninyo. Sino ate na? Yan! There you go. That is 2 hind legs in action po. Thank you so much, Uno. Folks, fun fact pala about Palawan Bearcat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, ganyan po ang amoy ng kanilang pupo, guys. Once again, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. And they are omnivores, so kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. At ngayong hapon, Kuya Dex, ano binigay mo kay Uno ngayon lang, Kuya? Ha? Pinayipay. Makita mo si Kuya. O ano yan, folks? Saging or banana, which is fruit. Once again, omnivores sila, ha? May tanong ulit ako sa inyo. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore. How about meat or karne? Carnivores. How about herbs, grasses, at karne? Omnivores. Okay, last question daw, be. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Ha? Alam niyo ate, wait lang. Okay, ate. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Ayan, palakpakan po natin si ate, guys. The correct answer is frugivore. Sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yan? Hindi frugivore, ha? Ha? Okay, hindi frugivore, ha? Frugivore. Frugi meaning fruit. Vorvorous meaning bitter po. Okay, once again, frugivore. Okay, now perfect. Teddy's back home na. Uno as well. Alright now, guys. Eto na. Let's proceed na to our last animal ambassadors. Ako sa mga inaantong dyan, alam kong naantong kayo dyan guys eh. So again, mawawala talaga yung antong ganito folks. Ito yung artistahin sa amin guys. Ang itinitilian at ikinakikiligan ng ating maraming kababaihan. The fan favorite. Now may I call on Piolo at si Daniel. Palakpakan naman po. Wala ba itong mga kamoy dyan? Palakpakan once again. Piolo at si Daniel. Ha? Piolo. Daniel. Sino itong isa? John Lloyd? Wait na mga boy. Hala, pamilya. Mami!
Para sa'yo, laban na to.
Wait lang mga.
Para sa'yo,
Kuya, may problema ba? Ba't sabay kayo? Ha? May problema ba kuya? Ba't sabay-sabay kayo? Ha? Kaya Michael?
Monkey.
Folks, again guys, ulit-ulit ko itong sabihin sa inyo, folks, na once again, we are still working with wild animals now. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Sabi kasi natin mga trainers guys, wala daw po si Piolo at si Daniel sa likuran at nakatakas daw po. At nandito lang daw po sa ating harapan, maybe check under your seats na lang daw. May tulungan din kami hanapin ang mga hayop folks. Mapapagalitan po kami. And guys, kung ano bang makita nyo, just relax and don't panic, ha? Yeah, there you go. Let's come, folks. That is our gentle giants. Ang ating mga Burmese python na sina Piolo at si Daniel. You can touch it naman po. You can hold it. Don't you worry guys. It's already trained naman po yan sila. Okay, sa mga bisita natin hindi pa nakapag-experience humawak ng ahas. It's yung time para hawakan ng ating mga ahas. Diyan ang ating mga snakes, ha? Guys, be gentle lang po, okay? Nasasaktan din yan sila. Again, if you want to take some photos or videos or with our snakes, ay lapitan lang po natin sina Kuya Michael and Kuya Jimar. Once again po, be gentle lang. Guys, konting paalala lang. Once again po, konting paalala lang. Pwede mo po mawalan ng ating mga ahas. Huwag lang po ang ating mga trainers. Okay, trainer natin si Kuya Michael.
Come on, here, man.
Alright.
Hello.
Ayan na. Don't you worry, pagkatapos sa show, you will be having your own time with our animal ambassador. So we have our annual petting po. Picture taking tayo mamaya sa ating mga animal ambassadors. Alright? Okay na. Thank you so much naman po Kuya for finding Piolo at Daniel. Alright na guys, before we Piolo at Daniel, this afternoon I need 2 adult guests na naman po. Pero guys, hindi ako yung pipili, ha? Again, yung mga trainers ko. Sumusunod lang ako sa kanila kung sinong pipiliin nila. Okay. Kuya Jimar, sino unang pipiliin natin? Si ma'am daw po. Yes po, may shade sa ulang. Ikaw daw po, ma'am. Yes po, ma'am. Sige na. Kami, we promise you it's already 3 naman po. Guys, cheer up natin. Sumapalakpakan po natin, please. Ma'am, kaya mo yan, ma'am. Ikaw nga nila. Come here daw po. Alright. But sa mga hindi mapilian, again po, you'll be having your own time with our animal ambassadors po. Alright? So we have a picture taking time mamaya. Hala, ikaw daw po. Ay, naka-gray daw po. Ayan si ma'am. Okay, dito po tayo. Sige na. Palakpakan po natin, please. Alright. Again, sa mga hindi napili, don't you worry po, you'll be having your own time with our animal ambassadors po. Alright? Okay, dito po tayo. Okay, ma'am, dito po. Tabihan niyo ako dito sa right side ko, ma'am. Ito po, dito po sa left side ko. Alright now guys, before we Piolo at Daniel, syempre kilalanin muna natin ating dalawang bisita. Nahin natin si ma'am. Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from po?
Raisa Bay from Davao.
Ma'am Raisa from Davao. Guys, palapakan po natin, folks. How about you po? What is your name and where are you from?
My name is PG from Davao. My name is PG from Davao. Yes,
Si Ma'am VJ from Davao. Palapakan po natin, folks. Both taga Davao. Alright now, ready na ba kayo, guys? Alright now, guys, meet our gentle giants. And there you go. Next again, folks, these are our gentle giants. Nating mga premise fighter with a scientific name of Python pipittatus. They are the third largest species snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long at 90 kilograms. So Piolo here is weighing about nasa 3 to 4 kilograms at Daniel po dito is nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo mabigat na ng konti sa kanila. Sino unahin natin sa kanilang ulit, Jiman? Okay, si Ma'am. Ma'am, sino kasama natin ngayong hapon?
Ako mga kids.
Asan kasama ni Ma'am? Asan? May kasama ba si Ma'am? Okay, sa mga kasama niyo, take a lot of beautiful photos for her, please. Pang-mighty daw ni Ma'am sa Facebook, pang-Instagram. Ma'am, shoulder sa Filipino. Relax. Okay, ayan. Okay na ba? Okay na. O, dito ka, Ma'am. Okay na ba, ate? We should be good na daw. Alright. Thank you so much, Ma'am, for participating, ha? Okay. You can take off your seat mo. Palapakan po natin si Ma'am. Pwede ka nang bumalik, Ma'am. Okay, ito po si Ate BK. Okay, dito po tayo. Okay, relax lang. We promise you, it's already trained naman. Okay, pag lalo kang natatakot na ko. Joke lang. Alright, now, sino kasama po natin?
Mga friend ko po.
Friends, asan sina friends? Taas kamay. Now, friends, watch this. Okay, relax. Ate, don't say bad words. May mga bata tayo dyan sa harap. Okay, now, don't worry, non-venomous naman po ang ating mga ahas. So, hindi nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. But they are constrictor, meaning sasakalin nila yung pagkain bago lalamunin ang buo. Tamang-tama, butong si Piol at si Daniel ngayong hapon. Oh, joke lang po. Okay, folks, lagay sa pa-check-in natin. Guys, sumobra na kasi kami sa aming show, folks, at yung mga trainers natin hindi pa nakapag-merienda. So, kailangan muna namin mag-break in 15 minutes. Babalik na po natin. Alright? Po, babalik na po kami, ha? Folks, in 15 minutes, tagal kayo. Salamat! Alright, thank you so much. Joke lang. Ayan, maampo na, review ka lang namin. Okay, ayan na. You can take back receipt mo. Palakpakan po natin si Ate VJ. Ayan, thank you so much. Sige mo interview. Alright now, folks. Here in Davao Crocodile Park, and so we have a mission, and that is to protect, to preserve, and to educate people about these lovely animals. The moment you enter this facility, you are not just here to take some photos or videos or animals. You are already helping us with our mission. That's why a round of applause for yourselves, please. Guys, pakilala po siya ating mga pogging trainers. Kuya Michael with a stick. Kuya Simon with a kalaw. Kuya Dexter with a cockatoo. At syempre ating magalang tour guide na si Ate Sai with a timbbox. At kanina si Kuya Jimar and si Kuya Richie. Once again, folks, my name is Kuya Boy and we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay ang Balayaw! Daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Alright, eto na. Again, so ating mga bisita na gustong magpa-picture sa ating mga annual ambassadors, lapitan ng punada ng ating mga trainers, guys. And folks, be gentle lang po sa ating mga hayop. Okay? Sa ating mga bisita na gusto mabigay ng tip, dito lang po yung tip box natin. Alright, at the center. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.